Hi, this is Anna, and we continue crocheting our sneakers. In this video, I show you the final steps to finish crocheting these sneakers. Don't forget to give me a like and let's go. Start with crocheting the first small part using the dark blue yarn. Count off 2 stitches from the side edge and insert the hook. Here we insert the hook, yarn over and pull the loop. Work 7 slip stitches in the direction of the toe section. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well, we crocheted 7 slip stitches. Now turn, work. Make 1 chain. And crochet 7 single crochet through the front loop only. 1, 2, 3, We crochet the first row, turn work, make 1 chain and crochet row 2 with 7 single crochets. Then crochet 4 rows more, repeat the second row. Well, we crocheted 6 rows and start crocheting the 7th row. Turn, work and make 3 chains. Skip 2 stitches and crochet to single crochets. Make 2 chains. Skip 2 stitches and crochet 1 single crochet. Break the working yarn, leaving an end of 20 centimeters or 8 inches. Sew along the edges to the main part of the sides of the shoe. Tie off the tail end of the yarn. Now I'll show how to crochet the second small part. On the right half of the shoe, count off 2 streaks from the side edge of the heel and insert the hook. Make a loop and pull through. And work 7 slip stitches in the direction of the toe section. We crocheted 7 slip stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 1 chain and crochet 7 single crochets through the back loop only. Turn, work and crochet the second row cha 1 and 7 single crochets. Then crochet 3 rows more like a second row. The height is the same, and we start crocheting the 6th row. Make 3 chains and turn work. Skip to stitches and crochet to single crochets. Make 2 chains, skip to stitches and work 1 single crochet. Break the working yarn. We crocheted the second small part, and now we sew it to the main part, like as we did with the first small part. So, using the yarn tail left hanging earlier, after completing the main part of the shoe. Now we start crocheting the final row. Work of single crochets along the whole edge from here to here. Insert hook into the first arc button loops and make 1 chain. Crochet into this arc to single crochets. Crochet single crochets into the usual stitch of previous row and work 2 single crochet into the arc. then crochet, single crochets, meet here. Well, we crocheted this part and start crochet the part with arces. Start to decorate the toe section. Crochet with dark Delu yarn, row like this. Start from here. Insert hook into this loop. And make 1 chain. Work this row through the front loop of the stitches only. Make 3 single crochets. And then we crochet, double crochet, decrease. And then we crochet, double crochet, decreases until last 3 stitches. Pause the video and crochet this row by own. Well, we crocheted 18 double crochet increases and we have 3 in work stitches. We crochet 3 single crochets. Make slip stitch. Break the working yarn and weave in the end. That's the kind of sneaker we got. It's time to try it on. I recommend using ready-to-use sneaker shoelaces with a length of 100 centimeters 40 in or longer, depending on the shoe size. I use the shoelaces with a length of 120 centimeters or 48 inches. Our sneakers are almost ready. You can wear them as they are or make them look as similar to branded ones as possible. To do so, put a like and watch the video next. The embellishment is worked in navy blue. Make a slip knot and 46 chains. Make 1 chain, slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Make 1 single crochet. Then 1/2 double crochet. Work 4 double crochets in 1 stitch. Then you have to crochet by own 36 single crochets, 4 double crochets into the 1 stitch, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet and slip stitch. Break the working yarn. This is the detail you should get. Hide the end. You can steam it to make it easier to work with later. Fold the piece in half and find the middle. We also find the middle of the heel of our sneaker and combine it. Next we pin the part to the sneaker and move from the middle to the sides first in one direction, and then again from the middle to the other. Then using a sewing needle and regular sewing thread, sew the lace to the shoe in hidden stitch. I firmly sewed the logo to the sneaker and did not forget to remove the light thread that I used as a pin. When I chose the color combination, I was inspired by this model. These are the sneakers my testers got. Tag at Crochetclubstore and use the hashtag Crochetclubstore hashtag to show off your new project. PDF written pattern for other sizes of sneakers is available on my site. Link is in the description. If you enjoy the video, put a like and subscribe to the channel. See you.